Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install the AMD driver on your Windows 11. As you can see, I already have this AMD driver. My current version is 24.7.1 and there's an update that not yet I download. So in order to install this driver, if you have a AMD GPU, you can try to go to the official website of the AMD driver. Here we go. You can type AMD drivers on your browser and AMD official website will show on. So you can click and directly into the AMD driver and support for processor and graphics. So here, in order to download the driver, you can choose the auto detect and install driver updates for AMD Radeon series. So you can download the tools and let the tools automatically find your GPU and install the driver for you. So this is very easy. One app to all drivers. But if you want to, or if you prefer download manually, you can try to select on the browse products option. Here you can click your graphic card, for example, and click Radeon or any GPU that you have, for example Radeon RX 5000 series, for example, and here you can select the graphic card you have and submit, and based on Windows 11 64-bit edition. Here you can try to download AMD software Adrenaline edition. You can download and then you can try to install. Follow the instruction. It's very easy. Just click next, next and next until it's done and finish the process. And also you can download the chipset. For example, this one, you can select your chipset. For example, if you have the APU or motherboard, this one, for example, A3, this is a basic motherboard for you. You can try to download this chipset. Or if you have like APU or G Ryzen 3200G, for example, you can click the processors. Sorry, it will be lag. You can click processor, click Ryzen, choose your processor, for example 5000G. Here, submit. Now you can download again Adrenaline edition. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next